Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatimah Nurlaili. I am majoring in constitutional law. Here I will explain about lack of transparency leads to corruption. Definition of transparency. Transparency means openness in the planning, preparation, and execution of the budget. Transparency is the principle that guarantees the right of the public to obtain access to information that is true, honest, and non-discriminatory about the operation of the organization and the result achieved by the organization by taking into account the protection of the rights to individual, group, and state secret. Principle of transparency. Humanitarian Forum Indonesia revealed 6 principles of transparency, namely 1. There is information that is easily understood and accessed by the public, including information about fund, method of implementation, and form of assistance or program. 2. Publication and media regarding the process of activities and financial details. 3. The availability of periodic reports on the use of records in project development that can be accessed by the public. 4. Annual reports. 5. The organization website or media publication. 6. Guidelines in disseminating information. The purpose of transparency. The purpose of transparency is to build mutual trust between the government and the public, where the government must provide accurate information to the public in need. The cause of the lack of transparency. 1. Limitation of material ability, mental and spiritual aspect. Because the government is lacking in income, so that it commits corruption, collusion, nepotism. 2. Limitation in practicing religious values and national cultural values. The government has bad moral because of its lack government awareness to believe in good and make this so that the government did something cheating. 3. Limitation in self-control. Government is selfish, only concerned with personal and not concerned with the people. The government is not open and does not care about the impact felt by the people. 4. Weak law enforcement. Definition of corruption. Corruption or rasuah, in Latin corruption, from the verb corrumpere, which means rotten, damage, suck, teach, breed. Corruption or rasuah is the act of public official, both politician and civil servant, as well as other parties involved in such acts who improperly and illegally abuse the public trust empowered to them to gain unilateral benefit. Types of corruption. 1. Corruption of state money. 2. Corruption bribery. 3. Corruption in extortion. 4. Corruption of position embezzlement. 5. Corruption gratification. 6. Conflict of interest corruption in procurement. Factor causing corruption. One of the theories of corruption, according to Jack Bologna theory, states that the factors causing corruption are greed, opportunity, need, and disclosure. Greed has the potential to be owned by everyone and is related to individual perpetrator of corruption. How to deal with acts of corruption? 1. Build strong law supremacy. 2. Creating real conduciveness in all areas. 3. The existence of activists. 4. Creating anti-corruption education. 5. Building moral education from small. 6. Providing intensive religious education. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.